Hey there, YouTube fan. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Spigen OneTap Pro Wireless Magnetic Car Charger Air Vent, also known as the MagFit. Are you tired of dealing with messy cables while trying to charge your phone in the car? Well, the MagFit aims to solve that problem with its sleek design and convenient features. So, let's dive right in and see what this charger has to offer. First things first, let's talk about the design. The MagFit boasts a premium build quality with a combination of durable materials and a sleek matte finish. It looks great in any car interior, seamlessly blending with the overall aesthetics. The compact size ensures it won't obstruct your view while driving, and the adjustable 360-degree rotation allows you to position it just the way you want. Installing the MagFit is a breeze. It securely attaches to your car's air vent using a strong magnetic grip, and thanks to the sturdy rubberized clamps, it stays firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. Plus, it doesn't block the airflow from your air vents, so you can keep your car cool or warm as needed. Now, let's talk about the charging capabilities. The MagFit supports wireless charging for compatible smartphones, making it super convenient to charge your device on the go. The powerful magnets ensure a secure connection, so you don't have to worry about your phone falling off, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. And with its fast charging capabilities, you'll be juiced up in no time. But wait, there's more. The MagFit also features a clever one-tap release mechanism. With just a single touch, the side arms automatically open, allowing you to effortlessly grab your phone when you need it. No more fumbling around or struggling to detach your device. It's a small but incredibly handy feature that adds to the overall user experience. And here's the best part, the MagFit is universally compatible with most smartphones, thanks to its adjustable magnetic placement. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or any other key-enabled device, the MagFit has got you covered. Just position the magnetic ring or plate on the back of your phone or its case, and you're good to go. To sum it up, the Spigen OneTap Pro Wireless Magnetic Car Charger Air Vent, the MagFit, is a game changer when it comes to car charging. Its stylish design, easy installation, and strong magnetic grip make it a must-have accessory for any driver. With wireless charging capabilities, fast charging, and the convenient one-tap release,